That is so cool. Love it. Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do the weekly setup in my PR planner, which is a classic size happy planner for 2022. I'm going to be using stickers from this Walmart sticker book called Marble Dream. This came out in 2019, and I'll also be using some digitals from CHELA Creates. I do have a discount code in the description box below for CHELA Creates, so I'm going to be using these two. I'm also going to be pulling from a couple of the pages from the 6-page digital kit that I did in pastels, so I'll be using some of the box stickers from that, as well as some butterflies from CHELA Creates and some labels from one of my journal kits. So let's get into this. I am looking for May. So this is the monthly setup I did for May. I'm still undecided on how I'll be using this moving forward, but I will be using it in some form or fashion. This is the previous week of April 25th through May 1st. So that's how that came out. So for each day, I need to post something on social media for one of the shops that I PR with. So I need to leave space on those particular days to post about what that will be, or any special information. For instance, even though you may be seeing this after the fact, on Monday the 2nd, Isis Ella Jewels is having a release of their new sticker book. So I kind of want to make note of that. So I'm going to put this box here. And I do have some other stickers that I want to use. Let's see. Here we go. Let's pull from these script stickers that are available to patrons. And I'm going to use a today sticker. I haven't pulled out any washi. I did that last week too. I just jumped right in. No washi. Should we do some washi? Let's do some washi if I can retrieve this sticker. It's down crooked anyway. So I'm doing some blues. Let's pull out some blue washi. I think this one goes well, and I just used this. I'm going to use it again. I think I'm just going to roll with this washi. This is a floral washi from Simply Gilded. And how do I want to use it? Do I want to put it inside the box? Let's see how that looks this week. Let's put it inside. So I recently did 3 days. I recently did 3 monthly spreads in one video. Initially, that video didn't do very well. I don't know how it's doing now, but I'm just curious. Are you all interested in seeing videos like that where I do multiple spreads at once? Let me know in the comments, because I wouldn't mind doing my Stylogy, my everyday planner, my work planner, and my PR planner all at once. So I can do them all together in one video or keep them separate in their own videos. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I am going to get back to the Dollar Tree planner. I don't think I want to lump the Dollar Tree planner in with those. But yeah, eventually I'll get back to it. I just need a break. Need a break. So, okay, I'm going to put the today here. And then, which one was the one I already used? This one. Just pop that right there. Okay. And then There's no other releases like that I know of this week. So I'm going to try and have my new kit release on Friday. So I'm going to put that there. Now, I want to go ahead and put down the dolls. I know I shouldn't. So I'm going to wait. Let's wait. So, and then I also want to do a special post today for Isis Ella Jewels, which I've already filmed. I just need to post it. So that's going to be my social media post. For that, let's see. Okay. So Tuesday, I know I'm not going to do a lot, but I do need to post. So I'm going to put a box for that. And Thursday, the same issue. So Wednesday, I'm going to have to get busy. So I'm going to use a large box on Wednesday. And I'm going to put it all the way at the top. Then Tuesday, okay, there's that. And then here, nope, let's move it down. Nope, let's put it right there. Nope, let's put it at the top. Let's try to keep as much at the top as possible. I think that's going to help me so that I get things done in the morning. And I'm going to use this double box that is trying to hang on to the page. But I'm going to use this. Ooh, I tore it. On Saturday and Sunday up at the top. There we go. All right. So that is my space for writing. I put this away. I guess I won't be using any of the labels so far. Now for the fun, the deco. I'm using her. I love these with the camera, and it's fitting because I need to take photos and video and stuff like that. So these are great. And they're big for my big happy planner pages. Perfect. And she's gonna go. That little bit of white at the bottom always gets me when I'm trying to make it look like she's coming from behind the washi tape. Now she's in my box a little bit, but it's okay. I got room. All right. That is so cool. Love it. All right. I don't think I'm going to do anything on here for Mother's Day either. I did that in my monthlies and in my everyday planner. So okay. I think I'm gonna put the heart there. And then this beautiful flower. All right. So let's do the flower right there. And then one up here. This might be deco rich. Just because maybe I didn't want to put that heart there. Oops, I accidentally tore that. Let's use the typewriter. Okay, so that goes there. Then where's the smile? I want to use that. It might be too big for the space that I want to use it in. Oh, and I did forget about the sidebar. Maybe I can use it there because I was thinking here. But no, let's put it in the sidebar. And let's put it up here. And then maybe I can put the heart in the sidebar too. That's better. Okay, and then this flower I want to use, and I think I can use this camera, the small one. So I have these Monday through Sunday stickers. Okay, here we go. So let's use a white. Monday through Sunday. These are available to patrons, and they can be used for a variety of things. You can use them for your meal planning, your exercise routine, or gym situation. That is in my way. Okay, that's down a little far, but oh, I didn't use a butterfly. Maybe I can put a butterfly. Let's see what it looks like. And I know this is a lot, but it's just what I envisioned, and it actually worked for a change, so I'm happy with it. Maybe I should use a little purple butterfly too. Just put that right there. That's pretty. I should put one right there. I'm not going to do that, but I should. Okay. So I think that is it for my PR planner setup. I haven't really worked out how I'm going to do everything for the week yet. So even though I have a few minutes left, and I didn't use any of these stickers either. I guess I don't need them. Yeah, I always forget to use these. Well, I could use a couple of these. Like this week and next week would be nice. And then this week. That's not bad. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, I could use this payday. I wish it wasn't purple, but let's do an important. Okay, so that is it. Let's pop this in. It's overboard, and I like it like that. I'm looking forward to filling this one in. So that is it for my PR planner weekly setup for the week of May 2nd through the 8th. I use a sticker kit from CHELA Creates, boxes that are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, as well as the Today sticker. The butterflies are also from CHELA Creates, and I also used a few stickers from a Walmart sticker book. The Monday through Sunday is available to patrons. All right, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.